Yo, 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 what up, YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using tomahawks. Some of you guys can know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So, like I said in my previous video, sorry for the noise in the background. That rattling sound you hear is coming from my computer. It's basically, I have a dead fan that I believe the gyros inside the fan is done, so I gotta replace that fan out. So, at no further ado, let's get to the unboxing with this one. So I already partially unboxed this, but you already know what we gotta do. We gotta pull out the bat knife. So bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox these shit. So this is coming from a company called, what is it, M2 Skins? I think that's the name. Was on paper. It's called M2 Skins like that. I wanted to come across them when I was just scrolling across the internet, and I was looking for some skins for my Legion Go 2, which is that right there. And I reached out to them, asked them are they willing to send out a review unit, as I always do reviews for different things. Like example, this right here, the other skin I got on here, the other skin I got right there on the dock, as you can see right there. Um, I work with different companies with different things. Um, uh, Play Vinyl, what's Soapy Guard, just different companies. So let's just get this thing open. Sorry if I'm like out of it. I am tired, guys. I have not slept yet, and I'm exhausted. I got this thing here tight. That's what she said. Okay, there we go. Got that out. Oh wow, they sent me a lot. They sent a whole kit. Wow. So Jesus Christ, this is the first. It's like I don't even want to break it. I gotta break it to open it up. It's nice. I should have just used my heat gun and peeled off the plastic off of it or the paper. A nice cloth squeegee. Ooh, I like this. And I needed one of these too. I needed a flat tip like this. I had a flat tip, but mine was plastic and it actually broke. I have a bent one like that, and I have a straight one like that. Um, Basically, I get those from eXtremeRates and stuff like that. Play Vitals, different things like that. So yeah, nice cloth. I can use this. Squeegee right there. That's good. They give you some. These are. Oh, these are the samples. Okay. So this is something I actually had inside my cart. Um, I wanted to check the difference. Oh, like that one. Okay. These are the different samples that give the Legion Go to. I like that. Oh, I definitely like this. I definitely like that. This is like a royal blue. Has like this glitter in it, like this one. This is like a royal pink. I like this. I like these two colors right here. Oh, this one look fire. What's this one? Oh, this have like this transparent. Look, when you move it around, you see it moving, right? Oh, that's fire. Other, we have. Oh, I do it like this. Oh, and this one moves too. So when you move it around, I like that effect. Yeah, it's good. This is carbon fiber right here. This one's like an army style. That one doesn't move as much. Ooh, I like that. Okay. So yeah, these are the samples right here. You can get these samples too for free. You just gotta pay for shipping if you want to test out the samples like that. Okay, so next one is the actual details. Oh man, it's like I don't want to break the plastics. But we got to. Mm. So this is the carbon fiber. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, okay, all right. Okay, okay. So we got the thumbsticks, we got the triggers, the bumpers, the back paddles, the little parts, the actual front part. We got the other parts. Okay, then we got the top, bottom with the logo cut out right here. Then they have it if you don't want to go. I think this is the back part. I think this is the back. Yeah, this looks like the back. Oh no, they gave you an extra one, so I guess if you mess up one of them, they gave you something extra. Hmm. I think this one goes to the back part of it. I'm not completely sure, but I am going to look at the install video with it. See how they got this thing set up. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, oh, and it smells like new car. Like, have you ever got new interior to your car? That's what it smells like. That actually smells good, bro. I ain't gonna cap. Well, so I think this is the white one. I'm just gonna rip it. Yeah, they got some nice packing. And this one, ooh, it's the army one. Ooh, ooh. I ain't gonna front. I think I like this one better than the carbon fiber. This is what I look. Look at that. Yeah, I'm definitely installing this one besides the carbon fiber. This look fire. Because when you holding it and you just moving it left and right. Oh, I'm definitely rocking with this one. So expect the video up probably on this video. I'm not completely sure. I might do an installation video. If I do, it's gonna have to be like a super fast render towards it. So yeah. Um, I will show y'all this at a later time. I am going to bed because I am tired. Tired. And that's the end of this video. And I gotta fix some things with this monitor and stuff and with this dock. Ooh, it just smelled like a new BMW, new Cadillac Escalade. Smell good up in this. All right, guys, that's it. That's it. I'm out. Deuces. One. Get that screenshot real quick. That's the money right there. That's the money shot. These samples right here. Those samples right there. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Peace.